Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Welcome to everyone. Hope all of you are fine. Today we have a topic of the lesson What Animals Do, written by Ghulam Hassan War. The topic here is new words. New words. The new words, they are new words for we people. In what sense? Because they are the words given here are the sounds of animals and birds. So first we read these words and try to do like the sounds which the new words give here. So the first one is
Cow.
cow. Cow. Which bird gives this sound?
Crow.
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 Crow. Crow. Kawa. Crow. Crow gives the sound cow, 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 cow. Okay?
Okay.
Try to do like this.
Cow.
Do.
Cow.
Cow, 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 cow. Okay?
Okay.
Second one is yell. Yell. Which sound of this?
Walrus.
Huh?
Walrus.
Wolves give the sound yell. Okay?
Okay.
Try to do like this.
Walrus.
Yell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one is moo. Cows. Moo. Huh? Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Coo.
Next, coo. Which sound of
Pigeons.
this? Pigeons give the sound
Coo.
coo. Next one is
Buzz.
Which sound of this one is flies?
Plays.
Those birds which fly in the air. During flying, they give the sounds like buzz. They give the sound like
Buzz.
buzz. Flying. When they fly in the air, they give the sound like buzz. Next one is
Pipe.
quack. This which sound of this one is? Which bird gives this sound? Duck gives the sound. Quack. Have you seen the duck? Buttock. They give the sound like quack. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.